Far beyond the reach of the earth, beyond time and shadow, lies a realm untouched by decay. Behold, the eternal throne croned, radiant with glory, seated above the heavens. Guarded by countless angels, faithful watchers of divine light. Mighty guardians, lions of heaven, carriers of strength, honor, and the gentle keepers of peace and eternal authority, moving in harmony with the breath of eternity, a kingdom of marble and gold, where silence speaks and light lives forever. Here, the guardians stand, between light and eternity, never sleeping, never fading. Enter and rest within the depths of heaven, where peace has no end.